Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Temu discount codes that won't apply, and a simple trick that usually makes them work. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's solve this. So you are entering a Temu code and it just says not valid or nothing happens. That's usually because one of three things. First is expired codes. Many Temu coupons are short-term, so even if you're floating around online, that they might already be inactive. Second, some discount codes don't apply to things like flash sale items, electronics, or heavily discounted bundles. If your card includes those, the code won't work at all. Third, minimum order limits. Some codes require a $20 or $50 minimum. And if your code falls even a few cents short, the discount won't apply. Here's the trick. Instead of guessing, open the Temu app, tap U at the bottom, then tap Coupons and Offers. This section shows all active coupons tied to your account. No guesswork, tap 1 and it will auto-apply at checkout if your order qualifies. Bonus tip, at checkout there's a little text link that says Apply Coupons. Tap that and enter the coupon code that you got. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.